Tired of stepping into a car that feels like an oven? Yeah, and we've all been there. The scorching seats, that blazing hot steering wheel, and your AC? It takes forever to catch up. But what if one simple gadget could change all of that? Introducing the fully automatic car sunshade. A smart, foldable solution that deploys in seconds, shielding your car from heat, glare, and harmful UV rays. With just one touch, and it opens up like a futuristic canopy, covering your vehicle with reflective protection. It's not just cool looking, it literally keeps your car cool. Whether you're parked at the beach, outside the office, or stuck in traffic under the sun, this sunshade is your car's new best friend. No more burning your hands on the gear shift. No more sweating before you even start driving. Crafted with high durability material, it's built to survive the hottest summers, while folding down into a compact case when not in use. Sleek, smart, simple. And did we mention? It also protects your dashboard from warping and fading. So not only do you stay comfortable, your car stays younger, longer. From tech lovers to road trippers, this is the upgrade everyone's talking about. Because comfort shouldn't have to wait, and your car deserves better.